Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akash Katyal from Farooqabad UP. I did my MS from Surgeries Hospital. Joining here in World Laparoscopy Hospital was an immersive experience. Everybody was involved, from R.K. Mishra sir, who has been excellent. The Bhalla sir has been a mentor of great repute and great help to us. Everyone guided us from knotting, suturing to doing advanced skills and tasks. We learned a lot. It was an eye-opener for us that anything and everything can be achieved through persistence and repeated analysis, and we can do better. And I think it's a must-do thing for everybody who is in India or anywhere and can come here, must attend this course. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Hemant from Bangalore, Karnataka. I decided to join the course during my first year of residency itself. After coming here, under the guidance of Mishra sir and Bhalla sir, they have taught us from the ABCD of laparoscopy. Now I feel more confident about the laparoscopy surgery. I'm very humble to them and very thankful. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Soumya. I am from Gulbarga, Karnataka. So I am honored and humbled to be here at World Laparoscopy Hospital to be trained under Dr. R.K. Mishra sir. And I learned it from the basic, the basic of suturing techniques and the skills, and I hope I apply it in the future for safe and ethical practice. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Anvesh Chukapalli. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I came here post my MS General Surgery, and I would definitely recommend this to everybody. One, Mishra sir and Bhalla sir were very much hands-on throughout the program, guiding us through all the tips and tricks, and the staff were very friendly, and would definitely recommend and would be coming back for a different course later in future.
Myself, Dr. Ashwini, gynecologist. I'm just completed my obstetrics MS. I wanted to learn laparoscopy, and I think I have chosen the best center to initiate my career as a confident gynecologist and a laparoscopic surgeon. I have learned basics from my instruments to the complex surgeries also. So I hope I will be good at my work. Thank you.
Good afternoon everybody. I am Dr. Vishweshwaraya from Gulbarga, Karnataka. I had the privilege and honor to be here at the World Laparoscopy Hospital to be trained under Dr. R.K. Mishra sir and Bhavneet Bhalla sir, and I would like to share my feedback for whatever I learned here. So they go very deep into the basics of the laparoscopy, so that we don't make the mistakes we generally tend to make without learning these basics. So I am very happy that I have started it from the scratch, unlearned whatever I have learned, and learned the basics from the scratch. So sir's teaching was excellent. I was a great fan of him. I used to follow his videos on the YouTube. So I was very happy to be here, and special thanks to all the staff over here. They are so accommodative. The hospitality is so excellent, and I would give a 5-star rating to all of the staff here, and also the accommodation at the Pacific Hotel was so smooth that we didn't have to face any hassle. So I would say 5-star rating to whole experience, and thank you one and all.
Hello, myself Dr. Gopa Malik, a practicing gynecologist from Kolkata, West Bengal. I would like to thank Dr. R.K. Mishra sir and Bhalla sir for all the guidance which he has provided us here, and I would also like to thank all the other faculties here. They are very cooperative and they help us to learn a lot about laparoscopy. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Hi, I am Dr. Minsa, coming from Kerala. This is the first time I am coming from I'm coming to a far off place. So the experience was very good here. Actually, everything was very comfortable here. After reaching the food, the hospitality from all the staffs, everything was very comfortable, and the training process also was very structured, and we had dealt from the basics of suturing to the complex topics. I would recommend anyone who is coming to this place a positive feedback. Thank you. Afternoon. I'm Dr. Pooja Sharma from Delhi. I'm a gynecologist. It's been a wonderful experience here in World Laparoscopy Hospital, and I would like to express my sincere gratitude and thankfulness to all the mentors and faculty for such enriching experience here. And I would like to thank to all the support staff and the administrators here for the smooth functioning of the course. And this course has been truly have laid down a true foundation for our surgical journey. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you everyone from World Laparoscopy.
Hi, so I'm Dr. Ashish Barwa. I just finished my general surgery. So this was a very good time for me to find out other opportunities to learn, and this was one of the best fellowships I've seen and participated, and it taught me a lot for a duration of 15 days. There was a lot to take in, and we all learned together. Balla sir, Mishra sir were really helpful and with us throughout the journey. So I'm very happy and wishing everyone good luck. We'll see you again, I guess. Thanks.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sheikh Basir. I have recently completed my residency in surgical oncology from Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad. We all have heard about World Laparoscopy Hospital and how R.K. Mishra sir is an excellent teacher. I was advised to undergo laparoscopic training from here. When I arrived, then I have come to realize that the program, the structure of the program, as well as how intensive it is and so well organized is what makes it so good. The lectures, which may last anywhere from 1.5 to 2 hours, are well alternated with the other techniques as well as hands-on practice that they give you. Hands-on practice along with the practice on the wet lab and all has helped us enhance our skills, refine our techniques. The entire staff, I would say, is very patient, very approachable. Someone who would make it a point to help you and guide you, point out your mistakes in a very humble manner. To all the staff, to Bhavneet Balla sir and the entire staff, I am really thankful for the experience that I have had. With some sound exposure and laparoscopic training back at home, it is only after coming here that I have realized how much of laparoscopy I didn't know. Once again, thank you everyone.